Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to access my Swisscom router. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is connect your router. Ensure your device, computer, smartphone or tablet is connected to your Swisscom router via Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. Then what you need to do is head over and open up your web browser, and then on the search bar simply type in http://internetbox.home, and then you will be provided with the Swisscom router login. Simply tap on it, and then once you are here, what you need to do is enter the username and password, and then if you have previously changed the password and can recall it, you can reset it via My Swisscom or Swisscom Home app. Now if you are unable to log in due to forgotten credentials, you can reset the router to its factory settings. Locate the reset button on the back of the router, press and hold the reset button for approximately 10 seconds, release the button and the router will reboot with default settings. Then you can use My Swisscom for management, open up your Swisscom app, and then be sure to be logged into your account. Then navigate to the internet section to view and modify your router settings. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.